This rigorous process guarantees that only the best Choco Pies make it to store shelves. Think about the incredible journey behind each pie. What if I told you that deep inside America's most advanced factories, millions of these chocolatey delights are crafted with precision every single day? Get ready to uncover the jaw-dropping process that transforms simple ingredients into a snack-time legend. Trust me, you won't look at Choco Pies the same way again. And hey, if you love diving into the world of food production, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. It all begins with the best ingredients. Factories source tons of essential components like flour, sugar, cocoa powder, and eggs from trusted suppliers. But the real star? Marshmallow cream and high-quality chocolate. These ingredients are carefully selected to ensure every Choco Pie tastes exactly as you remember from your childhood. Deliveries arrive in bulk, often in 18-wheeler trucks, unloading massive sacks and barrels of raw materials. The factory's first task is quality control, ensuring every batch of ingredients meets strict standards. From inspecting cocoa for richness to checking the flour's consistency, nothing is left to chance. This step ensures a consistent and delectable taste in every pie. Once the raw ingredients are ready, it's time to start the magic. The first major step is mixing the batter. Huge industrial mixers capable of holding hundreds of pounds come into play here. Flour, sugar, eggs, and water are combined, forming a silky, smooth batter. These mixers run with precise timing and speed to ensure the mixture's texture remains uniform. A key element here is automation. Factory systems are programmed to dispense just the right amount of each ingredient into the mixers. This ensures consistency across every batch, leaving no room for error. Once mixed, the batter is transported via pipes to the next stage of production. Now that the batter is ready, it's time to give it shape. Conveyor belts fitted with specially designed molds receive the batter. These molds are responsible for creating the round, fluffy cake layers that make up the Choco Pie. Imagine an endless line of perfectly shaped cakes traveling along the belt. Advanced technology ensures each mold gets the same amount of batter, guaranteeing identical sizes. This step is crucial because even the slightest difference could throw off the entire sandwich structure. Once shaped, the batter enters one of the most fascinating parts of the process: baking. These cakes are cooked in massive tunnel ovens, which are hundreds of feet long. Unlike your oven at home, these high-speed machines operate at controlled temperatures and use convection technology to ensure even baking on all sides. Each cake spends only a few minutes in the oven, but the result is perfection. Soft, fluffy cakes with a golden brown finish. The speed and precision of these tunnel ovens allow factories to bake thousands of cakes per hour without compromising quality. Fresh out of the oven, these cakes need to cool down quickly to maintain their texture and structure. Enter the cooling conveyor system, where industrial fans rapidly bring the cakes to the right temperature. This step is all about timing. Cool them too fast, and they might dry out. Cool them too slowly, and the marshmallow filling will melt upon assembly. The cooling process ensures that the cakes are ready for the next step without losing their signature softness. Watching this part of the production line is mesmerizing, as rows of cakes glide effortlessly down the conveyor, ready to be transformed into Choco Pies. Now comes the part that makes Choco Pies so irresistible: the marshmallow filling. Industrial machines equipped with precise dispensers pipe a thick, gooey layer of marshmallow cream onto one side of the cake. The filling process is calibrated to ensure the perfect amount lands on each cake, creating that signature sweet, fluffy center. Well, here's a fun fact. Some factories even use specialized nozzles that can create different marshmallow textures, from airy and light to rich and dense, depending on the brand's recipe. This step is a perfect blend of science and art. Once the marshmallow cream is in place, it's time to turn these individual cakes into sandwiches. Another conveyor belt lines up the top cake layers, which are gently pressed onto the marshmallow-filled cakes. This step might look simple, but it's incredibly precise. Machines are calibrated to ensure that just the right amount of pressure is applied, keeping the marshmallow from spilling out while securing the top layer. This process is all about balance. Too much pressure, and the pies could lose their shape. Too little, and they won't hold together properly. Each sandwich is then prepared for its chocolate bath. This is where the real magic happens. The Choco pies travel under a curtain of melted chocolate. Imagine an endless waterfall of rich, velvety chocolate enveloping each pie, coating it from all angles. This process ensures an even, glossy layer of chocolate, giving the pies their iconic look and taste. The chocolate used is specially formulated to harden just enough to provide that satisfying snap when you bite into it, without being too brittle. Factories often recycle excess chocolate, filtering and reheating it for the next batch, ensuring no waste. After their chocolate coating, the Choco pies pass through a cooling tunnel. This high-tech tunnel uses controlled temperatures to harden the chocolate while maintaining the pie's structural integrity. The pies glide through the tunnel on a conveyor, emerging at the other end with a perfectly set chocolate shell. This step is critical in achieving that ideal balance of textures, a soft, fluffy cake inside and a smooth, firm chocolate exterior. It's a fine-tuned process that ensures every bite delivers the perfect crunch and melt-in-your-mouth experience. With the Choco pies fully assembled, it's time for quality control. Advanced scanners and human inspectors work together to ensure each pie meets strict standards. Machines check for uniform size, shape, and chocolate coverage, while human inspectors ensure there are no imperfections or defects. This rigorous process guarantees that only the best Choco pies make it to store shelves. Any pies that don't meet standards are removed and often repurposed for other uses, such as ingredient testing or employee snacks. Once approved, the Choco pies move to the packaging line. Here, high-speed machines wrap each pie individually to maintain freshness. The pies are then grouped into boxes, which are sealed, labeled, and prepared for shipment. Packaging machines are incredibly efficient, capable of wrapping and boxing thousands of pies per hour. Each box is coded with a production date, ensuring traceability from the factory to the consumer. With the Choco pies boxed and ready, they're loaded onto trucks for distribution. From here, they're shipped to grocery stores, vending machines, and convenience stores across the country. Distribution is a well-oiled machine, with logistics teams ensuring the pies arrive fresh and on time. Whether you're grabbing one from a gas station or enjoying a box at home, these Choco pies have traveled a long way to reach you. American factories are not